It's no surprise that the 2024 Genesis G70 costs more than it did last year. Not only did Genesis make some tweaks to the sports sedan's interior, but it also performed an engine swap on the base model. That and newly standard Brembo brakes contribute to the 2024 G70's starting price rising by $2,170 to $42,695. While the G70 now features a standard 300 horsepower turbocharged 2.5-liter four-cylinder instead of the old 252 horsepower 2.0-liter Turbo 4, the other available engine is the same as before. Even though Genesis didn't change anything about the optional twin-turbo 3.3-liter V6, which still pairs with an 8-speed automatic transmission and either rear or all-wheel drive, the base price of G70's with that setup has significantly increased. For 2024, the G70 3.3T has a starting price of $51,145. That's a hefty $5,120 more than before, whether customers choose the standard rear-wheel drive or pay the extra $2,100 for all-wheel drive. The primary reason for the V6's substantial price hike is that every model now includes the Sport Advanced package, which previously was a $4,300 option. Meanwhile, the Sport Prestige package costs $4,200 on new 2.5T models and $4,400 on 3.3T models. Among the G70's new features are revised climate controls with touch-sensitive functions and a frameless rear-view mirror. According to the EPA, the new G70 2.5T has mostly the same fuel economy estimates, except the RWD version's highway estimate drops from 31 to 29 mpg, its combined rating also drops from 25 to 24 mpg. The 2024 G70 lineup will reach U.S. dealerships in the coming weeks.